How can I understand when someone is speaking English? Understanding spoken English can be challenging for new learners. Many English learners struggle with listening because native speakers talk fast, use different accents, or shorten words. However, with practice and the right strategies, you can improve your listening skills and understand English speakers more easily. In this video, we will discuss simple and effective ways to improve your English listening skills. 1. Build your vocabulary. One of the main reasons people struggle to understand spoken English is that they do not know enough words. When you hear a word you do not know, it can be difficult to understand the whole sentence. How to improve your vocabulary. Learn new words every day. Write them down and try to use them in sentences. Watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles and note down new words. Use flashcards to memorize words and their meanings. Read simple English books, news articles, or stories to see words in context. 2. Listen to English every day. The more you listen to English, the easier it will become to understand. Your brain will get used to the sounds, rhythm, and pronunciation of English words. How to practice listening daily. Listen to English songs and try to understand the lyrics. Watch English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos. Listen to English news channels or podcasts. Try to listen to different accents like American, British, or Australian English. 3. Start with slow English. If you find native speakers too fast, start by listening to slow English. Where to find slow English? Websites like BBC Learning English or VOA Learning English offer slow news reports. Some YouTube channels teach English in slow and clear pronunciation. Audiobooks for beginners are read slowly and clearly. 4. Use subtitles. Subtitles help you understand spoken English by showing the words on the screen. How to use subtitles effectively. First, watch with subtitles to understand the meaning. Then, watch again without subtitles to practice listening. Try watching with English subtitles instead of your native language. 5. Practice with English conversations. Listening to real conversations helps you understand how people speak in daily life. How to practice. Find listening exercises online where two people are talking. Join English-speaking groups or conversation clubs. Try to repeat what you hear to improve your pronunciation. 6. Focus on important words. Native speakers often connect words and speak quickly. Instead of trying to understand every word, focus on the most important words in a sentence. For example, I want to go to the store, instead of, I want to go to the store. Give me a second, instead of give me a second. By focusing on key words, you can understand the general meaning. 7. Ask people to speak slowly. If you are talking to someone in English and you do not understand, do not be afraid to ask them to speak slowly. You can say, could you speak more slowly, please? I didn't understand. Can you repeat that? Can you say that in a different way? 8. Improve your pronunciation. Better pronunciation helps you recognize words when other people say them. How to improve pronunciation. Practice speaking English daily. Use online dictionaries to hear correct pronunciation. Try shadowing. Repeat after a native speaker. Record yourself speaking and compare it to native speakers. 9. Train your ears to different accents. English is spoken in many countries, and each country has its own accent. If you are used to only one accent, it may be difficult to understand others. How to get used to different accents. Listen to podcasts or watch interviews with people from different countries. Try English listening exercises with various accents. Use YouTube to find videos of people speaking English with different accents. 10. Be patient and keep practicing. Understanding spoken English takes time. Do not get discouraged if you do not understand everything right away. The more you practice, the better you will become. Tips to stay motivated. Set small goals like understanding one new sentence every day. Celebrate your progress when you understand something new. Find a friend or teacher to practice with. Remember that making mistakes is part of learning. Conclusion. Understanding spoken English is a skill that improves with practice. By building your vocabulary, listening daily, using subtitles, focusing on key words, and practicing pronunciation, you can become better at understanding English speakers. The most important thing is to stay patient and keep practicing. Over time, you will notice great improvement in your listening skills. Keep going, and soon you will understand English with confidence.